Welcome to the best picks. The best cacao coffee is probably one of the most exciting and delicious coffee alternatives to hit the market, offering a rich, chocolatey flavor with a fraction of the caffeine, making it perfect for those seeking a healthier and more sustainable way to enjoy their daily brew. This unique beverage boasts a naturally sweet taste and a smooth texture, providing a delightful sensory experience that's both satisfying and energizing without the jitters or crash often associated with traditional coffee. Number 5. VitaCup Shroom Fuel. Start your day with a delicious and energizing alternative to coffee. It's a unique blend of organic superfoods and vitamins, perfect for a natural energy boost. It's crafted with organic cacao, maca root, mushrooms, cinnamon, and B vitamins. This smooth, lightly sweet drink is like a hot cocoa latte, but so much more. We've included chaga and lion's mane mushrooms for their adaptogenic and nootropic benefits, helping you stay focused and calm. The Ceylon cinnamon adds a mild, delicious flavor. This unique blend contains essential B vitamins to support your physical and mental well-being. No need for extra pills to get your daily dose. It's the perfect choice if you're looking to reduce your caffeine intake. Enjoy natural energy and focus without the jitters or crash. Conveniently packaged in individual packets, it's easy to take with you wherever you go. Simply mix with hot water and enjoy. What we like? It's a delicious blend of cacao, mushrooms, and adaptogens. If you need a natural energy lift without the jitters, this is perfect for you. It supports your immune system and enhances focus, making it ideal for busy days. What people say? It has a very mild taste, almost like nothing. When you open the bag, it smells like cocoa and cinnamon. It was very comforting. I love that there's no sweeteners or sugar, so I didn't have the jitters or crash hours later. Nice chocolatey smell and subtle taste. Easy to keep on the counter and stir into hot water for a quick beverage. I love that it's made of mushrooms, organic and vegan. As someone who loves black coffee, I can say this one stands out. I have a cup first thing in the morning, and it works perfectly as a pre-workout boost. Number 4. For Sigmatic Boost Cacao. Revive and recharge with this delicious mushroom hot chocolate. It's packed with 500 milligrams of organic cordyceps mushroom powder, plus cacao, coconut sugar, and ginger. This unique blend supports performance and energy. The 500 milligrams of vegan cordyceps mushrooms will help you power through your day. It's brimming with antioxidants thanks to the organic cordyceps and cacao. Enjoy the delicious taste while supporting your well-being. It's vegan, organic, dairy-free, and gluten-free. Made with only natural ingredients, it's a guilt-free treat. This isn't your average hot chocolate. Enjoy a rich, concentrated flavor by mixing it with just 4 ounces of hot water or milk. What we like? This one features cordyceps mushrooms for a sustained energy boost. If you're looking for long-lasting energy and improved performance, this is your go-to. It's also great for baking, adding a unique twist to your recipes. What people say? It's easy to mix a tablespoon of the cocoa powder with a cup of boiling water and dissolves with a quick stir. I like that the ingredients are minimal, organic, and from plants. The powder mixes easily into hot liquids. You can mix other ingredients like manuka honey in here. Overall, I like this product, its natural organic ingredients and the satisfying taste. It has an earthy, slightly bitter flavor, hardly sweet, but it's not unpleasant at all. I find it pretty comforting. Each packet makes enough for 100 milliliters, 3.5 ounces, 6.5 tablespoon of water, or your beverage of choice. Number 3. Crio Bru French Roast. It's a healthy and delicious alternative to coffee and tea. Discover a rich, chocolatey flavor without the caffeine jitters. It's roasted, ground, and brewed just like coffee, but it's made from 100% pure cacao. Enjoy the rich aroma of dark chocolate filling your kitchen. It's 99.99% caffeine-free, but contains theobromine, a natural stimulant for a smoother, longer-lasting energy boost. It's low in carbs and calories, yet rich in flavonoids and magnesium. It's a delicious way to nourish your body. It's one of the highest sources of polyphenol antioxidants and flavonoids, supporting your immune system and overall health. Enjoy it hot or iced. What we like? It's brewed like coffee but tastes like rich dark chocolate. If you want a caffeine-free alternative packed with antioxidants and nutrients, this is the best choice. It provides a gentle energy boost and supports your overall health. What people say. It is more work to brew than coffee. For my coffee, I just put it in the water in my French press, then stick it in the fridge to cold brew overnight. From what I have read, some people have cold brewed the cacao, but they had to use more of it. Brews like coffee tastes like chocolate. Tastes good, no complaints. I put in a small Baden French press, because I wanted 1 cup to try. I added a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream and frothed it with a handheld mini frother. This is a fantastic cup of happiness to start my day. It is like a homemade cup of cocoa I might make for an honored guest after a day on the ski slopes. I didn't even add sugar. It is that good. Number 2. Crio Bru Ecuador Light Roast. Discover a delicious alternative to coffee. It's rich, floral, and naturally chocolatey, without the bitterness. It's roasted, ground, and brewed just like coffee, but it's made from 100% pure ground cacao. Enjoy the rich aroma of dark chocolate filling your kitchen. This cacao brew offers the delicious flavor and aroma of unsweetened dark chocolate. It's a delightful treat, hot or iced. It's 99.99% caffeine-free but contains theobromine, a natural stimulant that provides a longer-lasting, milder energy boost than coffee. It's low in carbs and calories but rich in flavonoids and magnesium. It's a healthy and delicious way to start your day. Try it today and experience the smooth, rich taste of pure cacao. It's the perfect coffee substitute. What we like. This cacao boasts a light and floral flavor profile. If you prefer a milder, more delicate taste, this is for you. It's still rich in nutrients and provides a satisfying chocolatey experience. What people say. If you follow the instructions, this will yield a satisfying beverage, a little bitter, a little chocolatey, and customizable depending on how much sweetener, creamer, and other add-ons you put in. Delicious hot or cold. Ecuador Light Roast, this one, is light-bodied. It smells chocolatey, sweet, and floral out of the pack. When you brew it, it is the least bitter of all the Crio Bru options. Refreshing, you could even drink it on its own. Good for those looking for a subtle chocolate taste and a light, tea-like texture. My favorite brew is to mix some Ecuador Light and Gunna French Roast. This lets me control the taste and body better. Half and half will yield a cup that is rich and full-bodied while also having sweeter chocolatey notes from the light roast. Number 1. Crio Bru Sampler Kit. Discover a delicious and healthy alternative to coffee and tea. It's brewed just like coffee, but tastes like rich, dark chocolate. This sampler kit lets you explore 5 mouth-watering flavors of Crio Bru. Each one is a unique and delightful experience. It's roasted and ground like coffee, but it's 100% pure cacao. Enjoy the rich aroma as it brews in your French press or coffee maker. It's 99.99% caffeine-free, but contains theobromine for a gentle and longer-lasting energy boost. A perfect substitute for coffee. It's low in carbs and calories, yet rich in flavonoids and magnesium. It's a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. Cacao is packed with antioxidants that support your immune system. Enjoy a delicious drink that's also good for you. Enjoy it hot for a cozy treat or iced for a refreshing pick-me-up. It's versatile and delicious any time of day. What we like. This sampler kit lets you explore different cacao varieties. If you're curious to try various cacao roasts and flavors, this is a great way to discover your favorite. It's perfect for those who enjoy trying new things. What people say. Great French press and the brew is delicious, giving more energy. I tried without cream and sweetener and it tasted like regular black coffee, not the strongest black coffee, but a good coffee taste with a hint of chocolate. I use a glass electric teapot with an infuser to brew. I add in coconut milk and 0 sugar vanilla creamer. The thought of having my cup of brewed cocoa each morning helps get me out of bed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.